special guest. This is Princess Leia. She is our 1-year-old French bulldog, and she is really devastated. And today we're going to be doing an unboxing video. We're going to be unboxing the Tuft Needle Dog Bed.
So we got the small, but there's also medium and large. There's the dog, and the colors are.
We have the small dog bed with in the color rust, which is kind of like a maroon or like a dark red color. And then the other two colors are charcoal, which is like a dark gray, like me and Kylo's shirt. And then the other one is desert, which is like a cream color. So let's unbox it. Leia, would you like to come unbox it, or do you want to sleep?
Yeah, she wants to sleep on the floor.
Yeah.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh!
I'm sorry.
Oh wow!
This is big. This is actually big for a small. Okay.
So features about let's open this.
Whoa. Box is moving over here. There we go. Box is out of the way. This dog bed was actually really comfortable. Oh my god, I would like to sleep on this if I could sleep on it.
Leia, do you want to come test it out?
Come here, baby.
She's not interested.
I think she likes it.
So we have Lele on the dog bed. She is investigating. So features about the dog bed is this. There's like this soft material around the outside, and then there's this pillow insert that you can take out, and whether you got a small, medium, or large dog bed, this insert will fit into a small, medium, or large crate so that your dog can lay on this while they're in the crate. It has a very soft material, and if you want to travel with it, you can just fold it up and take it with you because it ties in. This insert also comes up off of it, and yes. I think she likes it. So this like outside is actually very soft.
And this part right here is for the dogs to lay their heads on.
Like this. Yeah. But Lele likes to do it the other way. So if I turn it around, we're going to see.
Here's our cute little Frenchie face.
So you can also take the insert out. Also, these little hooks on the outside hook into these hooks on the outside so that the bed doesn't move around. Also, if you're like traveling or something, you want to take this with you, you can fold it up, and these will hook also so that you can just carry it. Also, this can also be a dog bed without the insert.
Hey, you want to show it as a demonstration? Hey, 1 second. I need the dog. Okay, here we go. Really, Leia? Right when I was trying to carry it.
All right.
She farted.
In there.
Ow. That box keeps hitting my head.
So this, no, sit, lay, sit, lay down, cut it down. No. So
Okay.
she likes the dog bed a lot.
But she probably doesn't like it without the insert.
She's feisty now. So that's really all the information about the dog bed itself. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. And I hope you subscribe to our channel and click the like button and ring the bell button to get notified every time a new video pops up. Thank you guys for watching, and bye!
Hope you buy lots of stuff from Tuft Needle.
We love the brand, and we love the dog.
dog bed. It's so comfy. Let me show you.